If science holds any truth, then absence truly is the key to making love grow. Yet, society often misguides men, telling them to always be available, while teaching women to keep their partners on their toes. Let's set the record straight. This approach is a recipe for relationship disaster. To build a connection that lasts, it's crucial to create space and maintain your standards, giving your special someone the chance to truly miss you. Without this, everything you bring to the table may go unnoticed. So, in today's video, we're exploring 9 psychological tips on how to make a woman miss you, not by being mean, but by knowing when and how to step back. It's a delicate balance, and many misunderstand it. Thinking ignoring means being cold or distant, which doesn't work. I'm here to dispel the myths and guide you on how to do it correctly, ensuring it comes from a sincere place. Soon enough, she'll be longing to see you again, even if she wasn't interested at first. Number 1, avoid being perpetually on their radar. If you're always texting or calling, it can send the message that you lack personal goals or a sense of purpose. And by not giving them space, you deprive them of the chance to actually miss you. Just like eating the same meal every day gets monotonous, constant availability can become dull. Human nature craves what is almost always out of reach. We're naturally drawn to things of perceived high value. By not always being available, you spark their curiosity, making them wonder about you. On the other hand, bombarding them with texts and calls can come across as desperation, which is far from attractive. It's important to maintain a balanced life. Remember, people are often intrigued by what seems inaccessible, so your absence gives them time to reflect on the laughter, conversations, and good times you've shared. So, dial back the constant contact, not as a game, but as a way to show that you have a life beyond them. They shouldn't be the center of your universe. Give them space to breathe, and that void will soon be filled with thoughts of you. This is when they start to miss you. Let them reach out to you from time to time. It's not about playing hard to get. It's about showing that you're worth the wait. Number 2, resist attention bait. To make a woman miss you deeply, even if she appears indifferent, embracing a stoic mindset is key. As Epictetus wisely put it, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. When a woman notices your absence, she might set subtle traps to indirectly grab your attention. This tactic, long used, is now magnified by social media, where she might post captivating photos or share cryptic status updates designed to catch your eye and prompt a reaction. These posts are carefully crafted with you in mind, aiming to convey that she's thriving without you, even if it's just an illusion. This is where your self-control is put to the test. Avoid engaging with her posts. Don't like or comment. By ignoring her attempts for validation, you maintain control and demonstrate the strength of a true Stoic. As Marcus Aurelius said, the best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. By not reacting, you refuse to play her game, which will unsettle her and make her question her actions, ultimately missing you more. Imagine her anxiously checking to see if you've noticed her online presence, only to find that you haven't. This silence creates a powerful psychological effect, increasing her desire for your attention. This isn't about manipulation, it's about showing self-discipline and control, which are key aspects of the Stoic approach. By focusing on your own growth and interests, you naturally become more attractive, as you're not swayed by external validation. Your Stoic demeanor reflects strength and independence, qualities that are inherently appealing. Consider how this tactic mirrors the broader Stoic philosophy in your life. Emotional discipline and control can benefit many areas beyond relationships. Reflect on how adopting a Stoic mindset can transform your interactions and ensure that you remain the master of your emotions and actions. Living by Stoic principles means embodying strength and wisdom, making you irresistible not just in romantic pursuits, but in all aspects of life. Ask yourself, how often do you seek validation from others, and what steps can you take to build self-reliance and inner strength? Remember, the goal isn't to play games, but to develop profound self-control and emotional intelligence. By embracing this wise Stoic approach, you cultivate an aura of confidence and serenity that naturally attracts others to you. This mindset will not only help in romantic pursuits, but will also enhance your overall well-being, making you a stronger, more resilient individual. Number 3, present your complete self. When you're in a relationship or trying to make someone miss you, it's vital to demonstrate that you are a whole, fulfilled individual even without them. Your life should be rich and exciting on its own merits. By showcasing your passions, hobbies, and goals, you become more attractive and intriguing. When they see that you are content and thriving in your own world, they're more likely to miss being a part of it. This isn't about ignoring them or acting indifferent, it's about maintaining a healthy balance between your personal life and your interactions with them. Focus on your personal growth and happiness. Pursue your interests, spend time with friends and family, and invest in your career or education. Show them that you are not dependent on them for your happiness or fulfillment. When they see you living a complete and fulfilling life, they'll start to miss being a part of it and crave your presence even more. Number 4, retain a bit of mystery. Once you've successfully resisted her bait and held back from reaching out, the next step is crucial. If you've played it right, her name might just pop up on your screen. Cue the silent celebration. But before you get carried away, remember to keep your cool. It's tempting to show excitement, but restraint is key. She shouldn't think you've been anxiously waiting for her message, even if you have. No one wants to feel like they're someone's only source of happiness. Instead, channel that calm, collected energy. Keep your responses brief and nonchalant. A simple, "Hey, what's up?" will suffice. The goal here is to maintain a sense of mystery. You're not being distant, but you're not laying all your cards on the table either. This balance of intrigue is what will make her miss you even more. Number 5, show her you're thriving. When a woman starts to miss you, she'll naturally become curious about what you've been up to. If she finds something exciting or intriguing, she'll feel a strong urge to reconnect. But if you come across as desperate or uninteresting, she'll likely keep her distance. Here's where your strategy becomes crucial. In today's world, the first place she'll probably check to see what you're doing is your social media. If she sees that you haven't posted anything new, she might assume you're not up to much. It's a quirk of modern life. If it's not on social media, people often think it didn't happen. To turn this to your advantage, make sure you appear active and interesting online. Post about your achievements, fun outings, and anything that highlights the positive aspects of your life. Avoid sharing anything negative or overly mundane. You don't need to be boastful, just show that you're enjoying life and thriving. Even if you don't have huge wins to share, showcasing the pleasant moments in your life will remind her of what she's missing. Women love feeling included in the exciting parts of a man's life, and seeing you thrive will make her want to be a part of it again. Number 6, embrace spontaneity and unpredictability. Predictability can sometimes lead to boredom, so surprise her from time to time. Shake things up with spontaneous adventures. Try new foods and explore uncharted territories. When you ignore her, it's about diverting attention from her and focusing on the element of surprise, adding an exciting twist to your interactions. Being spontaneous keeps her guessing and wondering what thrilling surprise you'll come up with next, maintaining a sense of excitement and intrigue. Number 7, find something to share. If you desire to forge a somewhat deeper connection with someone you're interested in, share something meaningful, be it a secret, a shared experience, a common adversary, or even a quirky inside joke. This act of sharing instantly fosters a bond of intimacy between you and the other person. Imagine telling them a personal story that reveals a side of you they haven't seen before, or uncovering a mutual interest that lights up both of your worlds. Even discovering something you both find annoying can be a bridge to connection. By crafting this exclusive bond, you not only make a lasting impression, but also become someone they view as trustworthy and worth confiding in. This connection could make all the difference in how they see and remember you. Number 8, remain in control. It's easy to fall into the trap of analyzing every move she makes, but that's not your role here. You're not a detective. You're the one steering the course of your interactions. Don't waste time trying to decipher every little action. This isn't about winning a gold medal for understanding her intentions. If she pauses communication, don't lose your cool. Remember, you're not Sherlock Holmes, and you don't need to be. The key principle to keep in mind is that you're in control of your own narrative. Don't just react to her actions, take the lead. When she does reach out, stay composed. It's not your job to fix all her problems or cater to her every mood. If you make it a habit to always be at her beck and call, there's a risk she'll start losing respect for you. Maintain your boundaries and ensure that your presence is valued, not taken for granted. Number 9, conscious interaction. How can being fully present make someone miss you even more when you're not around? It's all about making every moment so vivid and meaningful that your absence is profoundly felt. Being mindful means fully engaging whenever you're together, listening with intention and responding with thoughtfulness. It's about being there not just physically, but with your entire focus on the present moment. This approach transforms ordinary interactions into memorable and meaningful experiences. The philosopher Marcus Aurelius once advised, "Do every act of your life as if it were your last." Applying this to your interactions means treating every conversation and every shared moment as if it's the most important one. Imagine this. Each time you're together, you bring an intensity of presence that makes every laugh richer, every glance more significant. You're not just passing time, you're creating special moments together. This depth of engagement leaves a lasting impression that resonates with them, even when you're apart. By practicing mindfulness in your interactions, you create an emotional connection that makes your presence deeply enriching and your absence noticeably empty. When you're not around, they'll start to miss the quality of attention and care you bring into their lives. They'll miss being truly seen and heard in ways only you have made them feel. So, dive deep into each moment you share, and make mindfulness your secret ingredient in the recipe for being missed. When you're fully present, you leave traces of your spirit with them, ensuring that you're always on their mind. This isn't just about being unforgettable. It's about making every interaction count twice as much. Number 10, always leave them wanting more. Every interaction should leave them eagerly anticipating the next one. This means knowing when to end conversations on a high note and avoiding letting things become mundane. Focus on quality rather than quantity. By ending an interaction at its peak, you create a memorable moment they'll want to relive. For example, if you're having a great conversation, it might be tempting to keep it going, but ending it while it's still engaging, with a promise of more to come, leaves them with a sense of anticipation. You become like a favorite TV show that ends on a cliffhanger. They can't wait for the next episode. Instead of prolonging a date until you run out of things to do or say goodbye while it's still enjoyable. This leaves them eager to see you again and keeps you on their mind long after you've parted ways. Mastering the art of leaving them wanting more ensures that you're never taken for granted. Your presence becomes a treat they look forward to, enhancing their desire and making them miss you whenever you're not around. That wraps up our journey into the subtle art of making someone truly miss you. I will be revealing more and deeper strategies on how to make any woman truly miss you in my upcoming videos. So leave a like and subscribe to ensure you don't miss it. But remember, these strategies are about enhancing your own life and creating genuine connections, not about manipulation. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Stoic Approach to Life.